We dug out all the grass in our front yard, and now we have this amazing flower garden. So many of you have asked for a garden tour, and today's the day. Come take a walk with me through our blooming front yard oasis. Here in a row, we have 3 spicy devils. I love this little angle right here. We have rock and rolled sedums, blue sky, blue jangle, hydrangea, microphilia hydrangea, and then right there is a limelight hydrangea, a tree form. I got that on the clearance rack last year and it was kind of shaped like a tree, so I'm going with it. I had big goals for this area. I wanted to have a full carpet of pink. Now that's a little carpety. This is not a little carpety. The issue I'm having is this is a French drain, so these gutters drain all down here, and this just holds a lot of water. I trimmed down the Supertunia bubblegum vistas that were here, and this actually put a little bloom out, which I'm actually pretty surprised, but they look kind of sad. They just get overwatered. Over here looks pretty good, but I think I'm done with planting Supertunias in the ground. They just need too much work. I'm not here for it. If you have any ideas of any low-lying perennials that are easy, low maintenance, please drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear and see your guys' ideas. Here I have some purple echinacea. I will have to thin them out over time because they do get large. So what I thin out, I'll probably move to the front of the property because those are very low maintenance. This is one of my favorite planters this year. I have some white geraniums, some potato vines, and then I don't even know what these are, but I got them on the clearance rack and I just trimmed them off. I hope they vine over that for the season. I also have some Superbena verbena right here, the white. A bug got into this. I thought they were goners, but this side seems to be blooming. I did spray it with some bug spray, and the middle doesn't look very good, but it actually is blooming more around here. I thought it was definitely a goner. I love the Superbena verbena. I may be done with the Supertunias in the ground, but I am absolutely not done with the Superbenas. These 2 are kind of small because I got them off the clearance rack later in the season. I don't think I planted those till the end of June. So they're a little on the small side. But as you can see on this side, I have the Superbena verbena and the cashmere pink, and they are huge. They have really just shown off. I love these so much. Back here, you'll see I have the Bobo hydrangeas. They kind of stay compact at 2.5 to 3 feet tall. I also have 6 of them over there as well. I am not going to show you that garden today, but we'll just stick to this side. I love the Bobo hydrangeas. They're some of my favorite hydrangeas that I have. Now these boxwoods right here were here when we moved in. They've kind of overgrown. This fall on a rainy day, I will probably go through, trim these down. I want them to be more like sphere-like instead of like, I don't want them to be a hedge. Here we have an Anna's Magic Ball. I love these plants. They get really like a yellow limey color. I really love that about them. I also have these 2 blue tall grass. I got those on the clearance rack my very first year gardening. I had them in the backyard, but they weren't doing very well. And out here, they're doing amazing. They're just like this very pretty blue and purple. These are false sunflowers. I do not know what happened to these. These were holding on and doing great. One day, I came out the next day and I don't know what happened. Maybe they got too much water. They couldn't have got not enough water because it has rained here so much this summer. These are more of the Supertunias. These are the Supertunia Bordeaux. Once again, not planting these in the ground. They don't do well for me. They may just need more fertilizer, but I'm not here to do all that. I also have Russian sage around here. I had to transplant this side, so that's why it's a little bit smaller than this side. So hopefully next year they'll catch up to each other. This container is looking a little spent. One of 2 things happened with this plant. One, I did not plant the king. Thank you for walking with me through my garden today. Drop your favorite plant in the comments below.
With Superbena verbenas,